Hi guys, so if you're watching this channel, you're probably either interested in buying a property or you potentially already have your property and you're renovating it.
Or you're buying a property right now.
That's what I said.
And on this channel, we renovate properties and we show you our day-to-day experiences of our good.
We sold the property for £152,000. That is a profit of 25k.
And our bad experiences. And if you like and you comment below, it really helps the channel grow basically. And we would really appreciate if you could do that.
Thanks, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi guys, so in this video we're going to show you how to install a new toilet downstairs. More specifically, the groundworks before installing a new toilet. We'll also be showing you the plumbing for a toilet downstairs and also how to dig ground outside, more specifically concrete ground. As the concrete is really tough, we had to use a more powerful machine, so this is about 1,500 watts. I think the new machine was about 2.5 kilowatts, so we basically used a breaker, and that was just like really easy to go through the ground once we used it. Okay, so now we dug out the ground, the concrete ground. We looked at the elevation of the floor, so we can try basically make it so it's a slight slope for the soil pipe, and we started from the inside as well. Soon after. Now we lay down this pipe with a slight decline going from the house to the manhole area. These are the plumbings also for the sink, the waste for the sink, and that's for the waste of the toilet itself. So yeah, and this is it outside once we've backfilled pea gravel into it. That's just to hold the soil pipe in place and to allow it for water to drain around it. Soon after this, we basically started putting down sand, so building sand. The reason why we put building sand on the ground is just to make it a bit more firm, and we kind of patted it down so it's a lot more solid. Straight after this, we put a DPC course down, so this is just to stop any kind of water ingress getting to the top surface layer of the flooring. Basically a damp-proof course for the area we dug out, because these are pretty old houses. As you can see, we pretty much put the DPC layer all the way up to the edges of the concrete, so it's kind of, there's no bridging. Bridging is basically when water soaks through areas that it gets past the damp-proof course. So we put it right to the brim of the concrete on the edges, basically, if that makes sense. So we're starting to load all the concrete in there. Can't remember what exactly the mix was, but it's just a general concrete mix. Poured it all in. And that's it, halfway. And this is the finished result when we leveled it out with the actual existing flooring. Now on this channel we release a lot of videos to do with property renovation, so if you want to like and subscribe, why not?
Use the brush.
Take the brush, my brush.